If you are thinking about getting new OBD2 scanner, now is best time to do it. One of best OBD2 scanner sellers, ThinkCar, is running mid-year sale up to 25%. Now this has been going on for a while, I just noticed today, but you still have 6 more days to buy one. They have bunch of discounted scanners. You can see it is about 20 scanners in this discount, and I placed all of them in 4 categories, analyzed features in all of them, and I will give you my 4 recommended picks based on budget and features you need. Link to that sale and also link to this article on my website where all scanners are compared will be in description. So at number 1 we have cheap scanner for smartphone, so this will be from $43 up to $59. I can already tell you that those two for $43 are not very good because they will give you full system scan, but ThinkDiag Mini does not come with service resets, it is not bidirectional, no ECU coding, so basically only full system scan and full system live data, which is not bad for the price, but I think ThinkCar BD6 is a lot better. And then Mucar BT200 also I don't recommend because you will get some service resets depending on the version, but only for 1 year. So after 1 year, no resets or you will have to pay. On the other hand, ThinkCar BD6, $57, full system scan, it is not bidirectional, but you have 5 service resets. It is really not bad scanner. Full system scan, full system live data, so you can check used car with it. You can do diagnostics and even some service. Since you have these resets and everything is lifetime free, updates are free, so you will not have to pay anything more. And then Mucar driver scan, it is bidirectional, you have more service resets, and you also have this volumetric efficiency calculator, so you can test your engine if it is in good shape. But after 1 year, you will have to start paying subscription, which is about $50. Now Mucar driver scan is also not bad. I would buy it for 1 year, and if you like it, then I recommend moving to Scan Tool, which will be cheaper in the long run because you don't have to pay every year. So this is cheap scanner for smartphone. Next category we have low price handheld scanner. So this will be not full Scan Tool, but something between Scan Tool and engine code reader. And now, without too much detail, you can read detailed comparison if you are interested, but what I'm recommending is this red one, ThinkScan Plus S7, about $180. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, if you choose any scanner, what you can do, check this out. Now I am at checkout. For example, this is Mucar 892, also part of the sale. There is already discount code, which will be applied automatically. But if you use CarHacker discount code, you will get extra few bucks off. It is just $10, but why not $10 for typing CarHacker? But back to my comparison. Mucar CDE 900 and Mucar CS90, they both scan only engine. Now they have some service resets, you can buy some extra functionality, but it is not really worth. So I was speculating only between ThinkScan 662 and ThinkScan Plus S7. Now S7 works with more systems, so you have not only engine, transmission, ABS and airbag, but also body module, AC module and instrument cluster module. It has only 5 service resets compared to 12 from ThinkScan 662, but you can choose any 5 resets you want, so you can basically build up your scanner to fit your needs. And then it's not bidirectional. This ThinkScan 662 is bidirectional, but remember it scans only for systems. So bidirectional test you can use only for engine, transmission, ABS and airbag. Now if you work on really old vehicles, which usually don't have body module or AC module or instrument cluster module, this one ThinkScan 662 might actually be a better choice. But I think for most people the Plus S7 will be better, and then if you need more features like bidirectional testing, it is better to just pick scanner from next category. That would be, we have Mucar V07, V06 and ThinkScan 672. Now comparing these mid-range scan tools, I came to conclusion that I would go with Mucar V07S because it is only one that have ECU coding, so you can unlock hidden features. It also works good for VAC cars, you can do long coding adaptations, all that VAC stuff. You got pretty good vehicle coverage, full system scan, bidirectional testing, basically everything. Only downside is that it is not free lifetime updates, but you have free updates for 3 years, and then it is $99, which is not bad for scan tool, but you don't have to pay it actually. You can just keep receiving those updates for 3 years, and then you will just use it on the oldest update you got, so that would be around 2028 update. You don't have to pay and you can still use it. I think this is better deal than going with ThinkScan 672 because that does not have ECU coding. And then Mucar V06, it is not even bidirectional, so I feel like it is worst one. And then if you want all-in-one scanner for everything, you have 3 choices in this sale. You can do Mucar 892 Bluetooth, ThinkScan 689 Bluetooth, or Mucar V08. Now comparing Mucar V08 and Mucar 892 Bluetooth, I don't really find any reason why you should buy V08 because this 892 Bluetooth comes with access to mechanic community, you have some extra apps, you have built-in AI that will help you analyze data and fault codes. And only thing that Mucar V08 has is set of extra connectors for older cars. So it comes down to choosing between this Mucar 892 and ThinkScan 689. Now usually I would tell you that you can go with ThinkScan to save some extra money, but when we compare this sale, the price is almost identical, so it makes more sense to go with Mucar 892 Bluetooth. So one more time, link to the sale will be in description. It is affiliate link, so if you decided to buy with it, I will get small commission, but your price stayed the same. So thank you for supporting this channel. And there is also link to article on my website and you can read comparisons more in detail.